Hey girls, today we will talk about irregular periods. When a menstrual cycle is not normal, I mean when a menstrual periods does not follow a particular pattern in terms of number of days in between periods. It means it is an irregular period. Like sometime it comes in 23 days, sometimes it comes in 20 days or maybe 15 days. So this is an irregular period. Going through the menstrual cycle every month is actually important for women's health. But irregular periods are likely to cause more health problems than anything else. So let's understand the causes of irregular periods. There can be a lot of reasons behind irregularity of periods. Some of the causes are common, while some other would need medical treatment. For example, irregularity of periods is the most common in teenage year. When you get introduced to periods initially, it takes time to settle down and keep a balance. Hence, a teenager may experience irregular periods. Some other reasons of irregular periods are eating disorders, weight gain or weight loss, stress, hormonal problems, over-exercising, intake of drugs. Irregular period can seriously affect the quality of life as it can keep you on toes always. So, how can you handle irregular periods? Well, I am sharing some tips which you can follow for irregular periods. Maintaining proper diet. Maintaining a proper diet really helps in keeping your body fit and healthy. Irregular eating habits can severely affect the functioning of your body, which can lead to irregular periods. Hence, maintaining a proper balanced diet is the key to a healthy life. Try to take green vegetables, proteins, minerals, calcium, etc. as much as you can. De-stressing. There is no denying the fact that in this fast-paced life, everybody is running behind one or the other thing, and the desire to purchase the materialistic thing often leads to a stress life. If you are unable to earn much, you will be in a stress. Or if you cannot purchase something you want, you will be in stress. This stress does not only affect your mental health but physical as well. And this is another reason behind the irregularity of your periods. Try to relax as much as you can. Go for yoga to attain peace. Feminine hygiene. Keeping the genital areas clean can help in removing all the infections and germs that can cause irregular periods. Use feminine hygiene products for the vaginal wash like Everteen Natural Intimate Wash. Everteen Natural Intimate Wash contains natural ingredients and help in preventing vaginal infection or vaginal irritation. By cleaning your vaginal areas with Everteen Natural Intimate Wash helps you feel fresh and clean entire day. Wash your vagina daily with Natural Intimate Wash and have happy period. Use daily panty liners. Irregular periods can catch you unattended and create an embarrassing situation. So, you should always use Everteen Daily Panty Liners. Everteen Daily Panty Liners have cotton top surface and it gives you protection against irregular period or vaginal discharge. These are very thin liners which will stick to your panties and you can be rest relieved that periods will not create a scent for you. So girls, irregular period is quite common these days, and if you take good care of your body and follow good feminine hygiene practices, you can easily handle it. For complete feminine intimate hygiene products, you can trust Everteen.
If you want to try it today, you can order Everteen products from the site of Everteen. That is www.everteen.co.in. Or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.